Okay, so welcome to this video. So we'll be looking at questions from quiz one. Okay, so quiz one had questions on sets, okay, and the application, okay, that they have to the medical field. We also had questions on SADs, okay, which means just irrational numbers. Okay, we're going to solve all the questions in this quiz. It has about 20 questions. Okay, so we start with the first question here. So the first question, okay, they're saying a nurse is monitoring blood glucose levels in millimoles per liter, okay, for two patients over a period of time. She observes, okay, she observes that the glucose levels for patient one and she observed that the glucose levels for patient one are defined by this range. Okay, so 4.8, 9.1. Okay, for patient one, and then for patient two by the range 5.1, 11.2, like this. So now they're saying which of the following defines the union of these two black glucose intervals. So please, we just have to find the union of these intervals. So the easiest way is to draw a number line like this, and then we plot these points. So I'm going to put 4.8 somewhere, then 5.1, 9.1, 11.2. So you just put them in order. So for this interval, we see that this 4.8 is included, so I'll shade there. And then I'm moving all the way to what? To 9.1, which is not included. Okay. And then for this one, both the 5.1 and the 11.2 are not included. So I'll draw an open circle there, and then I'll go up to there. So what is the union here? So the union is everything, starting from the lowest number here all the way up to this point. So the union will be, okay, from this point, which is 4.8, and this one is included, comma, 11.2, which is not included. So this one is our answer here, and we see that it's on option B. So we choose option B there. We go to question 11 to 20, which is more on just the solving. Okay, so remember, we are passing through this quiz. Okay, we've already solved question 1 to question 10, which is on the applicational part. So now we start this part where we're just solving. So here they're saying, if we simplify the expression completely, what result will we obtain? So we have root of 5 and then x to the power 1 over 3 divided by the root of 25 over x to the power 4. So this would be root of 25 x to the power 1 over 3 divided by, so we can apply this root to the 25, which means we have 5 over, to apply it to the x power 4, that would just be x squared. Okay, and then from here we'll write root 5 x to the power 1 over 3, okay, divided by, okay, so now here we can write this as a multiplication sign. So it means this one goes up, this one comes down, right? So it will be x squared over 5. Okay, so it means we have root of 5 over 5, and then this x to the power 1 over 3, x to the power 2, we can combine them because they have the same bases. So it will be x 1 over 3 plus 2. So this will just be what? So this 2, okay, is the same as 6 over 3. So I can add the ones there. So it will be x 1 plus 6, 7 over what? Oh, no. This won't work. So it is x to the power 1 over 3 and then plus 2, right? Okay. So I was saying this 2 is the same as 6, okay, over what? 3. So I'm making the denominators to be the same so that I can add easily. So 1 plus 6, that will be x to the power 7 over what? 3. So that's what I have here, x to the power 7 over 3. So this here will be the correct answer. So you can go on your options and look for it. So we see that we have it where? On D. So you choose D as your answer. Okay, choose D as your answer. So now, question 12, they're saying given that this expression is equals to that, find the value of x. So here it's just playing with the powers. So I'll write this as 64 multiplied by 1 over, okay, root of 8 is equals to 8x. But now, root of 8 is the same as 8 to the power half. Okay, so this will be 64 multiplied by 8 to the power half equals to 8 to the power x. Okay, and then 64 is the same as 8 to the power 2 multiplied by 8 to the power half, which will be equals to 8x. So we can add 2 plus half. Okay, what would that give us? Okay, so that will give us what? So 2 plus half, that would be 2, that would be 4 plus 1. So that would be 5 over 3. So that would be 8 to the power 5 over 3. Okay, 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is equals to, okay, 5 over 2. Am I seeing an answer there? Okay, maybe I've done the calculations wrongly. So we are saying 64 is the same as 8 squared, right? This one here, I see. So this one here is the root of 8 here, okay, is the same as the 8 power half. But this root of 8 was in the denominator. So if I take it up, it has to have a minus here. Even there, it must have a minus there, okay? And then now we can combine the powers. Okay, so that would be 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay, this one is the same as 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So this would just be 3 over what? 2. Okay, so this will be 8 to the power 3 over 2 is equals to 8x. So you can cancel out 8, cancel out 8. We just have x is equals to 3 over what? Over 2. Okay, so that's what we have. And then we go back, we go to question 13 now. So question 13 is very easy. So they're saying if we have y is being equal to this, and we express 9y to the power half in the terms of k x to the power n, where k and n are integer constants to be found. State the values of k and n. Okay, so here I'm going to write this expression. Okay, but where there's y, I'll put this. So I'll write 9 multiplied by, where there's y, I put 16 over 9, x to the power 4. And then this whole thing here is raised to power half. So we see here that this one can be put under 1. So this 9 and this 9 will cancel. So I'll only remain with what? 16 x to the power 4 to the power half. But power half is the same as the square root. So the square root of 16 and then x to the power 4 will be what? Will be 4x squared. Okay, so now remember this was kxn. So from this, we can say that our k is 4, our n is what? 2. So we pick which option? D. Okay, so thank you so much for watching that video. Okay, if you'd like to access more videos on different mathematical topics, okay, so you are free to register with us. So on our website, okay, we would like to inform you that we have full solutions to all the tutorial sheets that you've had, okay? So as you're preparing for your test, as you're preparing for your mid-semester exam, even the exam, okay, always make sure that you know how to solve all the questions in the tutorial sheets. So tutorial sheet 1 is this one. We've solved all these questions here. We've explained each one of them, and the videos are available on our website. Tutorial sheet 2, we've also solved all these questions on the exponentials, okay? And the videos are available on our website. So you can learn at your own time, at your own pace. We have videos to all these tutorial sheet. Tutorial sheet 3, which is this one, okay? So those questions that we are solving, I got it from tutorial sheet 3. But again, we've solved all these questions here in tutorial sheet 3, and you can access the video on our website, okay? Tutorial sheet 4, which is on sequences and series. Again, we've solved all these questions here. So make sure that you gain access so that you can watch them and then prepare for your mid-semester exam as well as your test. Okay, so sometimes they just get the same questions from the tutorial sheet. And then even tutorial sheet 5, which is on differentiation and integration, we've also solved all these questions here, and they're readily available on our website. Okay, you can also check quiz 2, quiz 1 that you wrote. We've solved this quiz. Okay, we've solved all the questions and they're available on our website. Okay, so when you go on our website, okay, you'll find something like this. Okay, so once you register for your course, it will show enrolled there for the courses that you're enrolled. So if you want to access those tutorial sheets that I was showing you, you can just say open course. Okay, and then you go to general math. Okay, so here in lessons and tutorials, we have lessons on each and every topic that you can learn in math. Okay, so you can go there to learn the topic. And then here we have handwritten summarized notes, well summarized notes, so you can use them for your studies. And then if you want those tutorial sheets, you just come in this folder, tutorial sheets and assignments. Okay, so depending on the university where you're from, those tutorial sheets are from Unilus, so you go from to the folder for Unilus. Okay, and then that was first semester, so you click first semester here. Okay, and then you go to the video solutions here. If you want, you can check out the written solutions here. So if you go to the video solutions here, you're going to see that we have two intakes so far, the January 2025 intakes, then the July 2025 intake, which is this now. Okay, so you can just open this 2025 July intake folder. You're going to find the videos. You can see here tutorial sheet 1, tutorial sheet 2, tutorial sheet 3, tutorial sheet 4, tutorial sheet 5. So we have 4 videos for all of these questions here. Okay, so you can open maybe tutorial sheet 2. Okay, we try to check if there are videos there. You see that there are videos there from question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just had 5 questions in that tutorial sheet. We solved all of them. Okay, and we also solved some assignments. Okay, some people sent me this assignment. We solved it. Okay, so you can access it there. So make sure that you watch all these videos, then you'll be good to go um for your exams. Okay, so if you want, you can also check out the past paper sections. So past paper sections, as we'll be writing your test 1. Okay, we have the test 1s for the past intake. Okay, so you can actually access them and learn. Okay, you can actually access them and learn. Okay, so here you see that we have past papers, so you can open the past quiz, test, and exam papers. Okay, you go again to Unilus, since the tutorial that I was solving was for Unilus. Okay, first semester. Okay, uh, and then video solutions here. Okay, so I'm going to find the video solutions for the tests last year. Okay, so this was test 1, this was test 2. You can watch this and then you can learn at your own time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if you need any help, you can contact me. So in the description here, you're going to find the link to our website and a link to the registration video guide. So you can watch it and know how to register on our website, and then register. You'll be learning these things at your own pace, at your own time. So the good part again is that we have a mobile app. So on the mobile app, you can actually download the videos when you're in school, and then you can watch them offline anywhere. Okay, so when you go to school where there's Wi-Fi, download the videos. When you go back to your boarding house or your room, okay, you can watch the videos offline anytime on our mobile app. Okay, so thank you so much. It has been Tutor Poul Solutions. Until next time.